Danny Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com, and today we're going to look at what's inside a hybrid natural latex mattress. Let's go. The Termary DIY mattress, and this happens to be the 12-inch version. It's 12 inches in thickness, and you'll see shortly that it has two latex layers inside. So the fantastic thing about this mattress is that it has a zippered cover. You see the zipper right here, and all I have to do is open the zipper. And that will give us access to the inner components. Keep on going with the zipper here, and we're going to open it right up. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to pull back this cover. It's a organic cotton cover, and it's quilted with wool, New Zealand wool inside. Very soft, very nice on the top, and it's got a little more coarser thread here. This is nice, thick, durable cotton, and also nice, thick, durable cotton here. So here we're inside the mattress. This once again is the Termary DIY natural latex mattress. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to check out this mattress on my website, naturalmattressfinder.com. And so this mattress will have the cotton, the wool. Once you peel that back, you have two layers of 2-inch Dunlop natural latex. So this is super resilient, super contouring, and super responsive. What I mean by responsive is that once you put your weight on it like that and you want to switch positions, it responds right away. The total opposite of memory foam. And so this is fantastic for comfort. It also has zoned construction. So you'll notice that some of these holes here, which you can see through them, and they're perforated from one side to the other. See that? And this adds in to the breathability of the overall mattress. And also it's zoned. So you have smaller holes here, and you have larger holes here. What this does is that in the middle of the mattress where you have the hips, you have a lot of more weight than in the back or the shoulders. So you'll have a little bit more denser foam here because it has the smaller holes. And so this has more support here, and this has a bit less support, or it gives the chance of the latex to sink in and contour more. This has a little bit more support. So in all, there are 7 zones for this particular latex layer. So we'll peel back the latex. There's one layer here, the second layer, and then we have the pocketed coils. So these are all wrapped individually, and so you get no creaking or nothing like that from the individual springs. And so these are totally targeted. This will target like one part of your body. They're all independent. So this is really great if you got your hips right here. This will just be supporting your hips. It's not like if you press down here, then the whole thing goes down. No, this is really a responsive mattress. It is totally targeted support. So this is an 8-inch coil layer, and then this is freely standing inside the mattress, and under that you have the rest of the cover. So essentially that is the construction of this hybrid latex mattress. It's called a hybrid because it's a hybrid between the coils here and the latex. If you have an all latex mattress, then it will be comprised of only stacked layers of latex. Typically 3 layers but sometimes 2 layers if you have something like a 7-inch mattress. But if you have a 10-inch natural latex mattress that is all latex, then you'll have typically 3 layers, 3 times 2 layers of latex. And the great thing about this mattress is that it's customizable. This one happens to have 2 medium layers of Dunlop latex, and this mattress is also configurable with, for example, you can have a firm here and a medium here. And that is the great customization options with this Termary DIY mattress. Again, you can check out the link below in the description, naturalmattressfinder.com. You can compare this mattress against many other natural latex mattresses. There are only natural latex mattresses on naturalmattressfinder.com that are certified by GOLS, that's the Global Organic Latex Standard, and the Eco Institute. GOLS certifies that the latex is 95% or above natural. Of course, they have to mix in a couple of things, chemicals in there, non-toxic chemicals, so that it bakes into this wonderful foam here, but it's very minimal, and they're non-toxic. Contrary to Talalay foam is not natural. It can't be certified by GOLS because it does not meet that 95% certified organic materials or ingredients within it. So if you really want to go natural, fully natural with your next mattress investment, select one like this, the Termary DIY natural latex mattress, which has the Dunlop latex foam. The crucial component of the mattress is the latex layer. This is the core of the mattress, and if you want my suggestion, go with the Dunlop latex, the Dunlop natural latex, which will be certified by GOLS. We got a good sneak peek inside a natural latex mattress. You saw all the layers, all the different components. So if you want to check out this mattress, the Termary DIY natural latex mattress, this is the Twin XL version, but it's also available in all the common sizes. Check it out on naturalmattressfinder.com, right below in the description, or just go to naturalmattressfinder.com and type in Termary DIY into the search bar, and this mattress will pop up right away. See you over at naturalmattressfinder.com. My name is Daniel Boudreau. Have a fantastic day and an amazing, rejuvenating sleep tonight.